August 21st, 2020. Guys, you're looking at the newest update from the National Hurricane. It came in just a few minutes ago. Notice the timestamp bottom left, 10:53 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I'm not going to be able to put a full video up because for some reason everything is loading extremely slow, taking, instead of minutes, possibly an hour to upload a very small video. I'm not sure what's going on. It could be internet, some kind of interference there. But anyway, now we have two tropical storms, Marco and Laura. Marco is 40 mile per hour sustained winds. It is moving northwest at 11 knots, 13 miles an hour. Laura is at 45 miles an hour, moving west-northwest at 18 miles an hour. Now, there's something that I can't show you here because it's not going to load. If I go into the satellite images, because I just tried it, it puts so much data into the video, it will not load. Something's wrong. It should be straightened out. I'm not sure what it is. But anyway, there's a problem here. And with Marco, because and again in the video that I tried to put up just a few moments ago, I had the satellite imaging of all the storms that were in the open Gulf moving, guys, this way, up and across Florida. And I'm going to show you where, even though that's happening, and the #1 model is showing that change, that the National Hurricane Center cone model is still showing it going to Texas. I don't think that's going to happen. In order to get this to upload, I'm going to have to show you a still image of what's been going on for the last several hours, and I've been waiting for the models to change. Now, the update came in, but the cone model didn't, but the Navy spaghetti model did. And what we're seeing here, guys, I can't play the live radar, but everything is moving this way. Notice that? All the way across Florida. And so here's the center of our storm. It's not going to cross the tip of the Yucatan according to the way that the weather is looking and the Navy model is looking. Right now, it may even skirt the western edge of Cuba. But all the weather pattern is moving up and to the right across Florida. So we've got low-level movement as far as the clouds and the low-level wind moving this way, guys, towards the west. But the upper-level wind shear is moving this way. So what the Navy model has done, and what I've been thinking today is happening, is it's going to be up somewhere in between there. And this is going to be very important to how you prepare over the next few days. But again, I can't show you the moving radar. It will not upload. But here's the center of the storm, and it is not moving towards Texas. Now, what it shows is it now skirting the very edge of the Yucatan Peninsula and staying down to a tropical storm. That, I don't think, is going to happen. Everything is moving, guys, against that prediction, and it's all moving in this direction. And so this will be updated in the morning, of course, as soon as I can. After daylight, I'm going to come in and give you a full update then, and we're going to watch it 2 or 3 times a day, maybe more, until both storms come ashore. But I'm going to show you what's wrong with this model now. Now, in the morning, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but we're looking at the 11 p.m. updates, both on the tracking from the National Hurricane Center, and this is an average of many of the models, still bringing it in just south of Houston, which would put the northeast quadrant of the most powerful section of the storm right into Galveston Bay. But the Navy model is seeing what I've been seeing all afternoon. See this right here, guys, this purple line, and the the TAB model right there. But the Navy model has been the most accurate so far this year. If you think about it, why would the Navy model be the most accurate? Because we have sailors in the ocean. The Navy has the most technological advanced radar, satellite imaging, and weather programming available on the planet. Why wouldn't they? They have unlimited supplies. So this is bringing it into Mobile Bay, which is going to cause havoc in the Pensacola area. And also it goes over with the TABM model and coming in on the Mississippi and Louisiana Gulf Coast. But the Navy model, guys, was exactly accurate in Isaiah's for everyone listening. And the satellite that I could not show you the moving pattern was pulling everything back to the right. But it's not showing yet on the spaghetti models. In the morning, we'll know if they somehow make a happy medium and come together somewhere in between this. But right now, with all of that weather that we saw moving up across the Florida, right now, guys, this makes a lot of sense to me. Now, there's not a lot of changes here on the Tropical Storm Laura except the Navy model. And it's doing exactly what the weather is saying. In other words, if everything's pushing, guys, out of the Gulf of Mexico right now, and it is getting into the situation where it's going to move north and northeast, like we're seeing. See how the Navy model cuts this curve right here into Miami? Now, what it's not showing, and let me pull this up a little closer. And once you look at it, it's kind of dangerous about the entire situation. Both of these are 11 p.m. updates. And we see a Cat 1 hurricane from Tropical Storm now Laura coming in to somewhere along the same places between Louisiana, Mississippi, Mobile, and Houston, except the Navy model again has stepped in right here. And I want to pull this up just a little closer. And what they've done, they picked up, guys, the Navy model has picked up all of this movement that's cutting across the peninsula this way. And see how they've curved this purple model back into Miami, but it stops right there. So will it continue to go up into the Florida Peninsula, or will it continue to come across the Gulf and re-strengthen? We don't know that yet, and they don't either, and that's why they stopped their model right there. But both of the Navy models show the storm moving from left to right. So we got to watch this, and that's why I'm doing this late video, guys. It's a heads up. Be safe.